Hey everyone, super excited about our Tara's must-have. It's a Bee-lieve edition, choice of two incredible items. What's a Tara's must-have? Well, it's an item or a collection that I have curated just for you that's pretty practical and purposeful. And if you have not been blessed at looking at our Bee-lieve collection yet, come on in because it is absolutely amazing. So I designed this with the whole thought of the bee in mind. The bee is so inspiring. We even include a real sweet romance card inside to remind you of the bumblebee, the fact that he was never supposed to be able to fly. His body's way too big for his wings, but through sheer determination, he gets that vortex going and shoots straight up in the sky. I think we all love that sweet, sweet message. So take a peek at what we have here. We did a completer set. Choice number one, that beautiful buttercream. But let's talk about all of the pieces. Let's talk about the pattern itself. I'm going to bring this forward because I think it's super easy to show you. So you have that gorgeous embossed bee. That's going to be the theme that runs all the way around. We also combine it with the honeycomb. So you see there that sculptural detail, 360 degrees, completely sculptural, dipped in our glass glazes, truly bring that pattern to life. So we've included a gorgeous butter dish. Look at how beautiful even the detailing is. Even the shape follows back to the dinnerware if you pick that up. This is that accessory piece to it. So your butter dish. We included your sugar shell and your creamer, both 10 ounces. Both have these sweet little lids with, of course, the bee on them as well. And then we included your salt and pepper shakers. So you have this beautiful completer set in buttercream, or you have it, of course, in our gorgeous taupe. Same sculptural detailing, same pop of the bee that you see there. All of that stoneware, oven safe up to 500 degrees, fridge, freezer, microwave, and dishwasher safe. $24.95. I know, for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces in our beautiful Bee-lieve collection in our completer set. $24.95 at temp-tations.com. Then, as I promised, a double dose. We have our cookie jar. If you've loved our honey pot, same silhouette that you see here. Look how beautiful. And by the way, yes, there's sugar in here. Yes, there's a gasket, which makes this airtight and watertight. So when you're keeping your baked goods in here, when you're keeping, cookies, because why wouldn't you? Hello, look at how great that is. You have that beautiful fluting that runs around the edges, that carved honeycomb detail with the glass glazes, and then the sweet lid that you pop right on there, and it's perfect. So let's remind you of our romance card. At first glance, the wings of the bumblebee seem to defy the laws of nature. How do these tiny wings support those chubby little bellies? I know, I feel that way. The secret lies in the bumblebee's hidden strength. Those delicate little wings create a vortex, beating at a speed that creates it to lift it to new heights. The humble little bumblebee reminds us to believe in our hidden strength, to believe in the magic that surrounds us, and to believe that anything is possible. $19.95 for the cookie jar, absolute must-have. Get it? And of course, $24.95 for that matching completer set. Buttercream or taupe in both. Head on over to temp-tations.com. We did not bring in a ton of these, and what we have for this year is what we have.